Hi everyone! I hope you all had loads of fun in last week's workshop, and this week is going to be just as fun. So this week, we're going to be making a nightlight based on work in the last exhibition, Dissolving Histories and Unreliable Presence. I was inspired by Liliane Puthod's work with light to make my very own. Liliane is inspired by the everyday. She likes to make boring, factory-made objects into something special. Maybe that can teach us we shouldn't spend so much money on buying stuff, and we should value all the things we have. Can you think of what you have that is special to you and no one else? So first you will need a really big cardboard box, and rectangular is best. Then you'll need a lamp without its shade, a paintbrush, some tape, some black paint, a pencil, some scissors, and then cellophane, which is this stuff that you'll find on sweet wrappers. I like to use Quality Street because they have a lot of range of colours. First, draw your shapes of choice onto the end of the box. These are the shapes that the light will project through. Draw the shapes on the side furthest away from the lamp. I drew lots of fruit just like Liliane, and I can use lots of colours for them too. Next, you will need your parents' help. Don't do this step without them or it can result in disaster. Poke a hole through the cardboard with a pencil. Then put your scissors in and cut around the shape. This can be hard to do and it takes a lot of time. If it gets too hard, ask your parent, and only your parent, to use a Stanley knife. All done! Now, paint your entire box black on the outside. Next, we need to remove the cellophane from the wrapper. Take out the chocolate and remove the foil so you're left with this. On the inside of the box, tape the cellophane to cover the holes. This can be really roughly done as you can't see it on the outside. When finished, place the lamp inside, as far away from the holes as possible. Turn off the lights and turn your lamp on. Get ready. Whoa! Isn't it so cool? It may look a bit fuzzy on camera, but this room is just so dark. I can't wait to see what you made. Please send it to our email address and we can post pictures of it to show all of our viewers.